Hey guys, Jonah here, and today we're doing an install on the steering wheel on my 350Z. We have a Vertex 325mm red stitching steering wheel. We have a Workspell short hub, which is right here. And then we have a Workspell Night Runner quick release. It's a Wrap Fix 2. And then we have a GK Tech. It's kind of like a mounting hub for my steering wheel and cruise controls because I do use those all the time and I'll be needing those. So this will hold those two in place. I'll just kind of keep you guys posted on where we're at during the install process and how it turns out. So let's get right into it. All right, so first what we're gonna wanna do is disconnect the battery. And then once that's done, there's gonna be two T30 screws on the bottom of the wheel. You'll need to remove those to remove the airbag. And then once you do so, then you can just pop the airbag right out. And then you'll have access to breaking the 19mm nut that holds the wheel on. With the wheel off, then you can start removing the covers and the screws that hold the components on, like the cruise control and the volume on the actual stock steering wheel. There should be about 5 Phillips head screws and then 2 T40 screws to remove to get all that stuff off. You'll just kind of have to look around and then find out where those pieces are since I didn't get them on video. So now with everything off your stock steering wheel, you're gonna grab your short hub and then slot it on. My hub came with a new washer and nut, so we used that, but if you didn't get one of those nut and washers, you can just reuse the factory 19mm nut that you took off in the first place. And since the green horn wire that they use from factory grounds to the stock steering wheel and also isn't long enough to connect to the new horn, we grabbed a pick tool set and we transferred over all the wires to the new plug that the hub kit provides with the longer horn wire. That way it actually fits. We had to take the hub back off to clip in the plug since the installed hub didn't give us enough clearance to do so. And before you clip it in, make sure you actually have the ground up against your hub because you won't be able to place it in with all of the steering wheel controls in the way. So just make sure you do all that before you plug everything in. Alrighty, and once all the wires are squared away, it'll take a minute to align, but once you get everything lined up, just screw everything down and get it into a nice position. And then you'll use those screws that are provided with the quick release to screw down the bottom of the quick release. All right, now you can see here, we're just screwing on the steering wheel screws. That's pretty self-explanatory. You'll get a little Allen key to do so with whatever kit you purchase. All right, and then once those steering wheel screws are screwed up, then you just gotta install the horn and then make sure everything's tightened up, reconnect the battery, and then you are good to go. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up this video today. Hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, just be sure to give it a like and follow along for more 350Z content. I'll be sure to post more here in a couple weeks. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below and I'll see you next time. Peace.